Welcome. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblikar. Today we are going to learn a very important chapter in English. Okay. So those are called silent letters. Now every word, a full word has got a silent letter in it. So it is very important, and if you pronounce that, then it will be English is wrong. Okay. So let us see which are the silent words. First we'll take up A and B. Yes. Let's learn the sounds and how to spell the words, silent letters. Okay. Now what are silent letters? Let us see what are silent letters. English language is full of many tricky rules which we have to follow to speak and to write the language well. Okay. So when you want to speak and write the language well, you should know all the rules, which are tricky of course, but in the starting it will be tricky and then it will be a quick master of it. Okay. Silent letters are the letters found in the words but are not pronounced. Now what do you mean by this? See, they exist in the word but they are not pronounced. Okay. Let us see. Silent letters are of two types. Now what are they? Auxiliary silent letters and dummy silent letters. Okay. Now at present in this level of English learning, you don't bother of this. Okay. Just remember that there are silent letters in the words. Okay. As you grow more and more in English, that time we will learn what are auxiliary and what are dummy silent letters. Okay. Now the rules. Now let us see the rules. The vowel letter A is silent when the words end with letters I, C, A, L, L, Y. Okay. Or A, L, L, Y. Now let us see what are the words. Example, basically, basically, B, A, S, I, C, A, L, L, Y, basically. Okay. So A is silent over here. See, basically. Okay. Then automatically AUTOMATICALLY, automatically. Then chaotically, CHAOTICALLY, chaotically. Then practically, PRACTICALLY, practically. Now you have to write all these words at least 5 times in your books, because these are all new words. Okay. And you should also open your dictionaries and see how to pronounce these words as I told you, but you should also see the meanings of it. Okay. Yes. Musically, periodically and specifically. So musically, musically, musically. Then periodically, periodically, periodically. Then specifically, specifically, specifically. All these words are new to you. So I request you to write down in your books and then see the meanings and try to make small sentences. Okay. And then put it in your comments. Let me see. I will check it if you want. Some exceptions with the words ending with ALLY. Okay. ALLY. Some exceptions are also there. Now you see, ideally. How do we say? We don't say ideally. Ideally, ALLY, ideally. Generally, GENERALLY, generally. Mentally, MENTALLY, these are the exceptions. Okay. In these words, A is not pronounced, but in these exception words A is pronounced. So you have to just by heart it, because then no other way. We can't just say that I will use this sounds and I will use that sounds. No, you have to know that this is vocally. So it is A is, yes, pronounced, V-O-C-A-L-L-Y, vocally. So there are few exceptions which we have to remember. There is no other go. Yes. Now it's a game time. Are you all happy to play the game? Yes. Now all of you are ready to play the game? After learning the silent letters, let us see the game. Find the words ending with C-A-L-L-Y where the letter A is silent. Okay. See, the first one is, I am not going to read. You are going to read and write in your book. Write the correct answers. Okay. I hope all of you have written. Who has got the first one right musically? M-U-S-I-C-A-L-L-Y. Very good. Let us see the next word, periodically. P-E-R-I-O-D-I-C-A-L-L-Y. How many of you got correct? Why? Why you got wrong? Okay, you should be careful, child. Then basically, B-A-S-I-C-A-L-L-Y, basically. Yes, all of you got correct? Very good. Then automatically, A-U-T-O-M-A-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, automatically. Then chaotically, C-H-A-O-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y. Okay. Okay. Now we come to the silent letter, pronunciation of the rules, spelling of the word letter B. Rule 1. If a word ends with MB, then the letter B is silent. What do you mean by this? Okay. Example, comb, C-O-M-B, comb. Then bomb, B-O-M-B, bomb. Okay. See, if a word ends with MB, then the letter B is silent. B is silent. Okay. Then limb, L-I-M-B, limb. Crumb, C-R-U-M-B, crumb. Dumb, D-U-M-B. Yes, this is a most common word used by many of us. Yes. Are you dumb? You don't understand this? Yes. Lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. Okay. Then limb, L-I-M-B, limb. Numb, N-U-M-B, numb. Thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Tomb, T-O-M-B. And then womb, V-O-M-B, womb. Rule 2. Sometimes B is silent when M is in the middle of the word. See, M is in the middle of the word. Now let us see what is that. See, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So it is in the middle. M is in the middle. So climber. Okay, B is silent. Climber. Plumber. Okay. Then the third rule. When MB is in the middle of the word, both the letters are pronounced. Okay, let us see. Which are these words? Member, M-E-M-B-E-R, member. Symbol, S-I-M-B-O-L, symbol. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay. Then the rule number 4 is B is silent in few words before T. Okay. If the letter B comes before T, then B is silent. Let us see which. Examples. Subtle, S-U-B-T-L-E, subtle. Doubt, D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Debt, D-E-B-T, debt. Debtor, D-E-B-T-O-R, debtor. Okay. Doubtful, D-O-U-B-T-F-U-L, doubtful. We don't say doubtful. Debtor, we don't say. Debt, we don't say. No. Doubt, no. Okay. So, be careful with these silent letters. So, I hope you have understood all the rules. Yes. Now, we will go to the games. Okay. Now, let us see what is the first one. How do you pronounce B when the letter MB is in the middle of the word? Do you remember what are the rules? Yes, very good. Pronounce both M and B. Example, number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Then member, M-E-M-B-E-R, member. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, etc. So, now in these words you have seen when B is pronounced, when pronounce B when M and B is in the middle. Okay. So, now M and B both are pronounced. Very good. Then mention few words where B is silent before T. Tell me which words? Yes, subtle, debt, debtor and doubt. Okay. So, thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Thank you very much. This is a very important lesson of the silent letters which will help you all to speak English properly. So, I want you to subscribe for our channel, subscribe the channel and visit again and again. Okay. Thank you.